Hello everybody, welcome to a 4-minute mix, a quick tutorial from the CIS Secondary Library, giving you a chance to understand something in a really fast tutorial. Today we're going to talk about our databases, just so you have a sense of what's available and how to access things. So when you go to the Secondary Library page, you're going to find a variety of tabs across the top, and in just a few from the left, you'll see research databases. When you come to this page, you'll notice that it's arranged in a way that allows you to access either based on your year level or subject areas or in a very broad sense. So for instance, over here in generalities, we just have featured different databases that fit well with a variety of subject areas, so nothing in particular. As you work your way over, you'll see, for instance, in individuals and societies, however, that we have the databases that are more fitting for that subject matter. Sometimes you'll see repeat databases. So for instance, under generalities, we have the National Geographic Virtual Library, and also in individual societies, we have National Geographic again. So it all depends on what you're needing. So these are just general areas that you could look at. We have the sciences, we have English, if you're in year 7 through 9, year 10 through 11, and those students who are in IBDP. All of these resources are perfectly suitable for all of you, so don't feel like, oh, I'm not supposed to go someplace if I'm not in that year level. Right up here at the very top is a more comprehensive view of things. And so when you click on the A to Z list of databases, what you will find here is everything listed in alphabetical order. So we have 27 different databases here, but don't let that be misleading at all, because within each of the databases, then you have a wealth of possibilities. The best thing to do is to go through and read what each of these databases provide. For instance, if we look at biography and context, yes, this is only about biographies, but you'll note that there are over 650,000 biographical entries here. So it can be through history up to present day, scientists, historians, writers, great thinkers, everything is there for you to consider. Another example of something like that would be the EBSCOhost option. In EBSCOhost, there are literally hundreds of different databases that you can choose from within EBSCOhost, so there's a lot to consider. And as we scroll down, you'll see all of the different possibilities. One thing to keep in mind is when you read a little bit about what is featured in the database, you should also note that there is a password. And so here I've highlighted the description of the environmental studies database, but then of course we provide the password for you to access from home. When you are at school, these materials are available for you to consider. So to quickly recap, we took a look at the research databases page here, and you see a variety of options, and we've also looked here at the A to Z list. So get in there, explore, and be sure to stop by the library with any questions that you might have.